Gain in-depth insight into your target audience. Self-Captures brings you a powerful way to connect with people on their own time and in their real-world environments with unmoderated video and photo feedback. You need color and context beyond the basic opinions you get in traditional surveys. Self-Captures brings people's experiences to life. Add a video or photo response link to any online survey tool and give the time and space for thoughtful, measured responses. Be right there with your target audiences for their daily routines, unboxing, mobile missions, or other in-the-moment experiences. You need to capture experiences better and faster and quickly turn them into insights. Launch a new self-capture survey in minutes to help make decisions, iterate strategy, and provide consumers and users with the products they want. Discuss.io empowers you to not only collect self-captured video feedback, but also have live interviews or focus groups. Upload any video content and get actionable insights. Start turning people's experiences into insights to drive better outcomes for your business today.